Have you forgotten what the lecturer had taught you today? Are you facing a problem with remembering the examples teachers gave you in the classroom? Are you constantly calling your classmates to find notes? How an institute can transform education by empowering students and teachers with lecture capturing solution? MediaSite Lecture Capture relieves the stress of conflicting schedules or missing important details during class. Lectures are broadcasted online and stored to view at a later stage. Record with multi-stream. Capture the lecturer, boards, slides, and student questions all can be captured in a single stream, with up to 4 high-definition videos running simultaneously. This is ideal for tutorials, labs and simulations. Students do not require searching in the video library as the captured lectures can be easily integrated with the Institute's learning management system. The teachers can show up and simply teach as they would regularly. The system can be assigned for auto-scheduling and the recording is available in the course which the student attended during the day. EduServ. Innovating education. Book a free demo at info@eduserv.com.au.